What you are about to see is happening inside your body right now if you've eaten in the last 2 hours. It's a silent, microscopic war. With every bite of a modern meal, a flood of glucose surges into your bloodstream. For many men over 40, this isn't just energy. It's a tidal wave that your body's defenses are no longer equipped to handle, overwhelming your cells and beginning a cascade of invisible damage. This relentless surge is known as postprandial hyperglycemia. According to the American Diabetes Association's 2024 Standards of Care, your blood sugar should remain under 180 mean twice number DL after a meal. When it repeatedly exceeds this critical threshold, your cells begin to resist insulin, the very key that unlocks them to receive glucose. The sugar, now locked out, remains in your blood, where it acts like microscopic shards of glass, damaging arteries and fueling chronic inflammation. But there is a simple, almost laughably easy countermeasure: a built-in biological failsafe. Research has confirmed that as little as 2 to 10 minutes of light walking immediately after a meal activates your body's largest glucose reservoirs, your muscles. The simple act of contracting your leg muscles sends a powerful signal, independent of insulin, for them to open up and draw that excess sugar directly out of your bloodstream for fuel, effectively neutralizing the threat. While walking is the gold standard for accessibility, any immediate post-meal movement will trigger this effect. Climbing a few flights of stairs, performing bodyweight squats, or even jogging in place can be profoundly effective. The key is activating the large muscle groups in your legs and glutes. The quads and gluteal muscles are massive, dense tissues that act like sponges, capable of absorbing huge amounts of glucose rapidly to blunt the post-meal spike. To make this physical habit even more powerful, you must first deploy a strategic dietary defense. Groundbreaking research shows that the order in which you eat your food has a measurable impact on blood sugar. Consuming vegetables and protein before simple carbohydrates creates a powerful physiological shield. The fiber from vegetables and the structure of protein form a gel-like matrix in your digestive system, physically slowing down the absorption of any sugars or starches you eat afterward. This is the final resolution: a precise, tactical blueprint to take absolute control of your post-meal blood sugar, starting with your very next meal. It is not a diet, it is a protocol. Step 1. The Veggie Shield. Before you touch anything else on your plate, consume 1 full cup of leafy greens like spinach, or a side of fiber-rich vegetables like steamed broccoli or cauliflower. This isn't a garnish. It is your frontline defense, creating that viscous gel matrix in your gut that slows everything down. Step 2. The protein buffer. Immediately after the vegetables, eat your protein source: a 4-ounce portion of chicken, fish, or a handful of nuts. Protein further slows gastric emptying and stimulates hormones that promote satiety, preventing overconsumption of the carbs that follow. Step 3. The 10-minute mission. This is non-negotiable. Within 5 minutes of finishing your last bite, you must move. This isn't a workout, it's a metabolic command. Perform a brisk 10 to 15-minute walk. If you can't go outside, walk up and down a flight of stairs 5 times, or do 3 sets of 20 bodyweight squats. This final step forces your muscles, now primed and ready, to immediately absorb any glucose that made it past your dietary shield. This 3-step protocol transforms your meal from a metabolic threat into pure, controlled energy.